Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a QR code in Canva step by step, so let's get started. First, open your browser and type Canva in the search bar, then press enter and click on the first official website. Once Canva opens, click on Create a Design and type logo in the search bar, then select the logo size to open a blank design. Now scroll down from the left sidebar and click on Apps. In the Apps search bar, type QR code and then select the fourth QR code app from the list. After opening the app, paste your website link or any URL into the URL section box. Once you add your URL, click on Add to Design, and Canva will automatically generate a QR code on your design screen. You can resize the QR code, change its position, and customize your logo design however you want. After everything looks good, click on Share or Download and save your QR code design to your computer. Now your QR code is ready to use for websites, businesses, social media, or marketing materials. So that's it. If you like this video then like, subscribe and press the bell icon for updates.